Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Blood in the Sambar. Story of the life and crimes of Dosa King P. Rajgopal. For decades, Chennai had few places where the whole family could eat a meal in cleanliness and peace. The few eateries that dotted the metropolis were largely military hotels, hole in the wall, places serving cheap non-veg to an all-male clientele. All that changed in the 1980s with the mushrooming of several clean, air-conditioned restaurants specializing in regional cuisine. But vegetarian eat and run places were still few. Basanta Bhavan, Sravana Bhavan, and other chains, each enjoying brief moments in the spotlight, have now carved out the market among themselves. Skydiving supercars world tour sneak peek into social media savvy Anand Giri's lavish lifestyle. The ultimate death of this mentor Mahanand Narendra Giri brought Anand Giri into the limelight. A Swami associated with the Bagambari Mat in UP's Prayagraj, Anand Giri has never been one to embarrass the life of an ascetic. A quick look at his Facebook page with over 86,000 followers reveals that the self-proclaimed yogi is social media savvy and regularly reaches out to his audience through live streams. Anandagiri's social media platform is plastered with videos and images from his trips to Brisbane, Paris, Berlin, Auckland, and London, among others. He also posted a video of himself skydiving and river rafting. Another shows him standing below the Eiffel Tower. The yogi is also no stranger to supercars. His social media profile has several photos of us posting next to luxury car and bikes. During his police interrogation the last day, nearly 12 hours, Anand Giri maintained that Mahan Narendra Giri was not the kind of person who could die by suicide and that this was a conspiracy against him and his mentor. Booked under Section 306 of Indian Penal Code, Anand Giri was sent to 14 days judicial custody by the district court in the Prayagraj on Wednesday. Talks with Britain. White Summit meetings with top CEOs. Everything on the PM Modi US visit agenda. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a whirlwind 3-day visit to the United States, his first in 2 years, to strengthen bilateral and strategic ties between the two nations. The highlight of the tour will be PM Modi's first in-person meeting with US President Joe Biden, who was sworn in earlier in January this year. The Prime Minister has a packed schedule ahead of him, beginning with a series of meetings with top American CEOs to highlight economic opportunities in India. On Thursday evening, PM Modi will have a private tete-a-tete with Qualcomm CEO Cristiano Amon, followed by a one-on-one meeting with Adobe chairman Shantanu Narayan. He will also hold talks with the Fast Caller CEO Mark Windmar, General Atomic CEO Vivek Lal, and meet with Stephen A. Surgerman, CEO of New York-based alternative invest firm Blackstone. The final interaction of the day will be with Japan Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga, marking PM Modi's first in-person meeting with the man who took over after Shinzo Abe stepped down due to the health complications last year. The Prime Minister will then depart from the New York, where he will address the United Nations General Assembly on Saturday. In his speech, PM Modi will dwell on important issues including regional situation, cross-border terrorism, climate change, and global efforts to combat COVID-19.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.